The Supreme Court's judgment on Article 370 marked a watershed moment in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. This landmark decision reshaped the constitutional relationship between the region and the rest of India. It brought an end to the special status that Jammu and Kashmir had held for 7 decades. The implications of this verdict are far-reaching, with profound effects on the region's governance, economy, culture, and the lives of its people. The abrogation of Article 370 ignited a firestorm of debate and discussion across India. It was a decision that touched upon deeply held beliefs, historical narratives, and aspirations for the future. The international community too watched with keen interest as India embarked on this new chapter in the story of Jammu and Kashmir. The Supreme Court's verdict was not merely a legal pronouncement, but a catalyst for change, ushering in an era of transformation for the region. It has opened up new avenues for development, integration, and progress, while also raising important questions about identity, autonomy, and the aspirations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. As the dust settles on this historic judgment, it is essential to delve into its nuances, understand its implications, and examine the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead for Jammu and Kashmir. This is a story of change, adaptation, and the enduring spirit of a region at the crossroads of history. Article 370, incorporated into the Indian Constitution in 1949, granted special status to Jammu and Kashmir. This unique provision allowed the state to have its own constitution, flag, and autonomy over internal matters. While the Indian Parliament had the power to legislate on defence, foreign affairs, and communications, it required the concurrence of the state government for other matters. The rationale behind Article 370 was rooted in the historical context of Jammu and Kashmir's accession to India. The provision was seen as a temporary measure to accommodate the region's distinct identity and aspirations, particularly in light of the tumultuous partition of British India. Over the years, Article 370 became a subject of intense debate and controversy. Proponents argued that it was essential for preserving the region's cultural identity and autonomy. Opponents, on the other hand, viewed it as a barrier to integration and development, hindering the full assimilation of Jammu and Kashmir into the Indian Union. The abrogation of Article 370 brought an end to this decades-long debate, ushering in a new era for Jammu and Kashmir. It remains to be seen how this historic decision will shape the region's future and its relationship with the rest of India. The Supreme Court's verdict on Article 370 has ushered in a new era of governance and development in Jammu and Kashmir. With the region's full integration into the Indian Union, the central government now has greater authority to implement policies and initiatives aimed at fostering economic growth, improving infrastructure, and enhancing the lives of the people. One of the most significant implications of the verdict is the extension of all central laws to Jammu and Kashmir. This includes legislation related to education, healthcare, labor rights, and environmental protection, among others. The application of these laws is expected to bring about greater uniformity and standardization across India, ensuring that the people of Jammu and Kashmir have access to the same rights and opportunities as citizens in other parts of the country. The verdict has also paved the way for increased investment in the region's infrastructure. The central government has announced ambitious plans to develop roads, railways, airports, and digital connectivity in Jammu and Kashmir. These infrastructure projects are expected to create employment opportunities, boost economic activity, and improve the overall quality of life for the people. Moreover, the integration of Jammu and Kashmir into the mainstream Indian economy is expected to attract investment, promote entrepreneurship, and foster job creation. The region's rich natural resources, skilled workforce, and strategic location have the potential to transform it into a hub for tourism, handicrafts, and other industries. The Supreme Court's judgment on Article 370 has had a profound impact on Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in the realms of economic growth and cultural revival. The region, known for its breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and warm hospitality, is now poised to reclaim its position as a premier tourist destination. With improved security and stability, Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed a resurgence in tourism. Visitors from across India and around the world are flocking to experience the region's natural beauty, ancient temples, serene lakes, and snow-capped mountains. This influx of tourists is providing a much-needed boost to the local economy, creating jobs and revitalizing traditional industries. The removal of restrictions on property ownership and business ventures has also attracted significant investment to Jammu and Kashmir. Entrepreneurs are exploring opportunities in sectors such as hospitality, infrastructure, renewable energy, and information technology. This renewed economic activity is expected to create a ripple effect, leading to job creation, skill development, and overall prosperity. Furthermore, the abrogation of Article 370 has paved the way for the revival and preservation of Jammu and Kashmir's rich cultural heritage. The region is home to a vibrant tapestry of traditions, languages, art forms, and cuisines. Efforts are underway to promote and preserve this cultural diversity, ensuring that future generations inherit and cherish their heritage.